I got so many questions about the pickled blueberries from the salad I posted last week that I want to show you how to make them for yourself. So the first thing we're going to do is make our pickling liquid. In this case, I like to use rice wine vinegar as opposed to white wine or apple cider because the rice wine vinegar is so much more delicate and it doesn't have that pungent flavor to it. So we're doing 2/3 of a cup of that with 1/3 of a cup of water. And we're also going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar. You can use honey if that's what you have on hand, and a little pinch of sea salt. So we're just going to bring this up to like a medium heat and stir it until all the sugar and salt is dissolved. Okay, the sugar and salt has totally dissolved, and so now we're just going to add a 1/2 cup of ice to this mix just to cool it down a little bit so it's not boiling hot. And then from there, I have my blueberries. This is about 2 cups worth. I like to use a glass container so it doesn't melt if the liquid's too hot. The main thing you want to keep in mind is that you don't want to put the lid on this until it's fully cooled down. I just leave mine on the counter for like half an hour to an hour because I don't want to give people food poisoning. And so once they're fully cooled, then you can pop the lid on, and these will last in the fridge for at least 7 to 10 days. This pickling method works with all sorts of summer fruits. You could do peaches or cherries, strawberries, all of those work great, and they're such a fun way to like level up your salads. And I challenge you to just have fun with it and try something different. Our blueberries have fully cooled, so we can put the lid on now and store them in the fridge safely. And in the meantime, we can enjoy the beautiful salad we've made with these awesome pickled blueberries.